All right, hi everyone. I'm doing some testing here on my supermarket analysis. I have a little result here, and I'm on a 1 hour um, bars here, and in my ChatGPT prompt, I'm actually adding um, 13 bars in the analysis of 1 hour, and I had this result, and it's a nice result. So I just want to put it in a box. I don't want this to be financial advice, but at the same time, isn't that what we want? Is to have a financial advice from the prompt. So just to set things in here, we're at like 26,598, and according to my analysis, with the Elliott Wave Theory that I'm going to show you in an instant, it's saying that there's a downtrend and the market probably won't reverse to an uptrend till it reaches 26,430. So let's throw this uh, a minute or so of this report. And obviously, the report could always, you know, be tweaked and you know, touch up, Um,
Elliott
so
Wave Analysis Report. The Elliott Wave Theory is a form of technical analysis that attempts to predict price movements and trends by identifying and interpreting patterns in market data. This report will use the given data set to generate an Elliott Wave Analysis Report. Identifying entry and exit points. The Elliott Wave Theory is based on the idea that markets move in waves, with each wave having a distinct pattern. The first step in identifying entry and exit points is to identify the wave pattern. The data set provided shows a 5-wave pattern, with wave 1 being the highest point, 26,509.72, and wave 5 being the lowest point, 26,430.00. This indicates that the market is in a downtrend. The next step is to identify the entry and exit points. The entry point is the point at which the market starts to move in the direction of the trend. In this case, the entry point is at the high of wave 1, 26,509.72. The exit point is the point at which the market reverses direction and starts to move in the opposite direction. In this case, the exit point is at the low of wave 5, 26,430.00. Interpreting wave patterns for insights. The Elliott Wave Theory can also be used to gain insights into the market. By analyzing the wave patterns, it is possible to identify areas of support and resistance, as well as potential areas of trend reversal. In this case, the wave pattern indicates that the market is in a downtrend. The wave pattern also indicates that the market is likely to continue in this direction until it reaches the low of wave 5, 26,430.00. This indicates that the market is likely to remain in a downtrend until it reaches this point. Forecasting market movements. The Elliott Wave Theory can also be used to forecast future market movements. By analyzing the wave patterns, it is possible to identify potential areas of support and resistance, as well as potential areas of trend reversal. In this case, the wave pattern indicates that the market is likely to continue in a downtrend until it reaches the low of wave 5, 26,430.00. After this point, the market is likely to reverse direction and start to move in an uptrend. This indicates that the market is likely to start to move in an uptrend after it reaches the low of wave 5. Explaining the result of the analysis and how this impacts the current trend. The Elliott Wave Theory is a powerful tool for predicting market movements and trends. In this case,
I'm
the
going to
wave
skip a
pattern
bit.
indicates that the market is in a downtrend and is likely to continue in this direction until it reaches the low of wave 5, 26,400 DMA to generate response. The Directional Movement Analysis, DMA, is a technical analysis tool that uses price data to identify the direction of the trend. In this case, the DMA indicates that the market is in a downtrend. The DMA also indicates that the trend is likely to continue in this direction until it reaches the low of wave 5, 26,430.00. After this point, the DMA indicates that the trend is likely to reverse direction and start to move in an uptrend. This indicates that the current trend is likely to reverse after it reaches the low of wave 5.
So I just want to put that in the box. No financial advice, folks, until, but I'm just want to see the fact that, okay, I'm recording, um, and the graph here should look like it's slowly coming down. We'll see if it reaches that and goes back up. I would imagine that if it starts to go back up before the 426 430, the market feels good. The market actually feels better than it's than it is in like in a few hours or so, because these are, I'm using, okay, this one's 5 minutes and my analysis is on 1 hour. So 26 4, so down here, on an hour it would just look like about like this, 430. There we go, right on the dot there. uh that'd be impressive to see that it has this dexterity to point out things for investor to make a better decision. And that was it, folks, for this uh, video. It's just to put that little detail in the box, get it recorded, and I could take a look at it in the future. Got to face the facts, right? Of my project. All right, so this is AimCom, and I'm out of here. We'll see you next time.